Welcome to Gyas classes for mathematics. Today we are going to explain integration part 15 class 12. Let us see. So here the question is what? Find the integration of 0 to 1. 1 upon root under 1 minus x square dx. So you know this is a definite integration. So rule is what? First you integrate the given function and then put the value upper limit minus lower limit. Let us see. So here we are solving this question. So you know integration of 1 by root under 1 minus x square is what? Sine inverse. Why? Because derivative of sine inverse x is what? 1 by root under 1 minus x square. So integration of 1 by root under 1 minus square is what? Sine inverse x. So we can write directly this is sine inverse x. And here upper limit is 1 and lower limit is what? 0. Now next step is what? Just put value of upper limit at the x. So x equal to 1. So we will put here sine inverse 1 minus again put the value x equal to lower limit. So this is what? Sine inverse 0. So you know well sine inverse 1 is what? Pi by. Why? Sine pi by 2 is sine 90 is what? 1. 90 means pi by 2. So sine inverse 1 equal to what? Pi by 2. So this is pi by 2. And you know sine 0 is what? 0. So sine inverse 0 is what? 0. So pi by 2 minus 0 is what? Pi by 2. So our correct answer is what? Pi by 2. Let us see the second question. Here second question is what? Find the integration of 0 to 1. 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. So again for this type of question technique is what? First you integrate the given function and then use upper limit and lower limit. So you know well derivative of tan inverse x is what? 1 by 1 plus x square. So integration is what? Just reverse of differentiation. So integration of 1 by 1 plus square is what? Tan inverse x. So we will write direct this is integration of 1 by 1 plus square is tan inverse x. Upper limit is 1 and lower limit is what? 0. Now the next step is what? Just put the value of x equal to upper limit minus x equal to lower limit. So when we put x equal to 1, we will get what? Tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 0. Now you know tan inverse 1. So you know tan 45 that is pi by 4 is 1. So tan inverse 1 equal to what? Pi by 4. So we can write direct here pi by 4 minus. Again you know tan 0 is what? 0. So tan inverse 0 will be what? 0. So our correct answer is what? Pi by 4. So pi by 4 is our right answer. Now see the next question. The next question is what? Find the integration of 2 to 3 1 upon x square minus 1 dx. This is also the definite integration. So first we have to find the integration of this function that is 1 by x square minus 1. After that we will use the upper limit and lower limit. So you know well this is we will solve this function with the help of partial fraction. So let us see. So first we are solving this expression 1 upon x square minus 1. We can write 1 upon a square minus b square. You know a plus b, a minus b. So x square minus 1 means x plus 1 into x minus 1. So this is x plus 1 into x minus 1. Now this equal to just suppose this is a upon x plus 1 and plus b upon x minus 1. A upon x plus 1 into 1 upon x plus 1 into x minus 1. When this type of the function, just you assume a upon x plus 1, b upon x minus 1. Now you can see when we take the LCM, So here LCM will be what? X plus 1 into x minus 1. When? So AX minus A. So AX minus A, if we write here AX minus A. And now here x plus 1 cancel out. So B into what? X plus 1. So B into x plus 1 is Bx plus B. So we will get to what? Bx plus B, right? So we can write here what? Ax plus Bx. So x common, we will get to what? A plus B. So here x is common, we will write A plus B. And this is minus A plus B, so we can write B minus A. And here what? X plus 1 into x minus 1. And here it is what? 1 upon x plus 1 into x minus 1. When we compare these two, so denominator is same. So numerator to numerator. Here coefficient of x is a plus b. Here coefficient of x is what? 0. So we can write a plus b equal to 0. So a equal to what? Minus b. In the same way here constant term is 1. And here constant is what? B minus a. So we can write that is b minus a equal to 1. So we can write b equal to 1 plus a. Now here a equal to what? Minus b. So just put the value of a equal to minus b here. So we will put b equal to 1 minus b. Now this b equal to 1 minus b. So this b and this b is what? 2b. So we can write 2b equal to 1. So b equal to what? Half. If b is half, then you know a is minus b. So a equal to what? Minus half. Now we have a value a minus half and b half. So we can find our integration, that is integration of 2 to 3. And here 1 by x square minus 1. Now we can write a by x plus 1 and b by x minus 1. A is what? Minus half. So we can write minus 1 by 2 into x plus 1. In the same way, this is what? B by x minus 1. B is what? Half. So just put the value of b. We will get 1 by 2 into x minus 1. And this total we have is what? Dx. Now you know well, this is half is common in both. So just take outside from integration, this is half. Now you know integration of 1 minus 1 by x, 1 by x plus 1. So you know integration of 1 by x but log x. So we can write minus log x plus 1. In the same way here 1 by x minus 1. So integration of 1 by x minus what? Log x minus 1. So it is what? Plus log x minus 1. Right? Now you know here upper limit is 3 and lower limit is 2. So write here 3 and here 2. Now the next step is what? C. So here this is half. Now put the value of upper limit at the place of x and minus again put the value of lower limit 2 at the place of x. So when we are putting 3 first, so we are getting minus 3 plus 1 is what? Minus log 4, right? And here plus log 2. We are putting 3 minus log 4 plus log 2. Now here again this is minus and now we are putting 2. So it is what? Minus log 3. So this is minus log 3 and here what? Log 1. So this is minus. Now we are putting x equal to 2. So 2 plus 1 3. So this is what? Minus log 3 and here log 2 minus 1 log 1. Right? Now you see this is half. So this is minus log 4 plus log 2. So you know format minus log x plus log y. So minus log minus log. So you can know the formula, that is if this is log a minus log b, we can write what? Log a by b. Log a minus log is what? Log a by b. That means divide. Minus means divide. So same rule here we are applying. Here this is negative. So we can write what? Log 2 by 4. We can write log 2 divide 4. And here minus minus plus. So this is what? Plus log 3. And this is what? Minus log 1. So you know log 1 is what? 0. So this is 0. Or you can write minus log 1 is 0, or you can write minus log 1, no problem. Now you see here, this is half. This is log 2 by 4 plus log 3 minus log 1. So here log plus means multiply and minus means divide. So we can write that 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. So this is what? Log 1 by 2. Here plus, so multiply 3. And here minus, so just divide this by 1. And this is, so we can write direct our answer half and log 3 by 2. So half log 3 by 2 is our correct answer. Now see the question, next question, question number 4. Here question is what? Find the integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. So this is a definite integration. So first we are finding integration of cos square x, and then upper limit pi by 2 and lower limit 0 we will use. So finding integration of cos square x. So simple technique is what? First we have to convert this cos square. So you know the formula, that is cos 2x equal to what? 2 cos square x minus 1. With the help of this formula, we can find easily cos square x. So cos square x will be what? 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Right? So cos square x is what? 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Now use this in the place of cos square. So this is 0 to pi by 2. And with at the place of cos square x, we are writing 1 plus cos 2x by 2 dx. You know half is constant, so just take half outside. So this is what? 0 to pi by 2, and this is what? Only 1 plus cos 2x dx. Now you know this is half and integration of 1 dx. So you know integration of 1 dx is what? X. So we will write simply here x. Now integration of cos 2x. So you know derivative of sin x is what? Cos x. So it is the reverse. So direct integration of cos x is what? Sin x. So we will write here sin 2x. Right? Now here coefficient of x is what? 2. So just divide by coefficient. So it is what? Sin 2x by 2. Now in upper limit is what? Pi by 2, and lower limit is what? 0. Now the rule is what? Here we have already half. It is okay. And now just put upper limit value at the place of x. So we'll get what? X, that is pi by 2 plus sine 2 into pi by 2. So we'll get what? Sine pi. And sine pi you know 0. How? Sine pi, that means what? Sine 90 plus 90. So sine A cos B, sine 90 into cos 90. So cos 90 is what? 0. In the same way, cos A cos B, again cos 90 is what? 0. So in this way, sine pi is what? 0. So 0 by 2 is what? 0. Now put the value minus. Put the value of lower limit. Lower limit is what? 0. So x equal to 0. We will get here 0. And again when x is 0, so 2 into x 0. So sin 0 is what? 0. 0 by 2 is what? 0. So again here we will get what? 0. Right? Now you see here, this is 0, this everyone is 0, only this is pi by 2. So half into pi by 2 is what? Pi by 4. So pi by 4 is our correct answer.